guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add story highlights on Facebook step by step. It's a great way to save your favorite stories on your profile. Let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, we'll move to the story section. On the top left side, tap and hold on the Create Story option. After holding it for a moment, two options will appear on the screen. From these options, we'll open the Story Archive. Now tap on Story Archive. Here you'll see all your previously posted stories. Choose the story you want to add to highlights. After selecting the story, look at the bottom right side. You'll see a highlights icon with a heart symbol. Tap on it to add the story to highlights. Now enter a title for your highlight. Choose any name that matches your story. Finally, tap Done at the top to save it. And that's how you can easily add story highlights on Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below if you want more Facebook tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.